Can you understand more Spanish than you can speak? If so, this is actually a really nice place to be because it means that you have a lot of language in you. You just need some help bringing it out in a coherent way. You see, the number one thing that Spanish learners need to do more of is speak. They have to practice their speaking, and yet there are so many obstacles holding a lot of them back from doing so. Some have to do with not having a good grasp of the mechanics of the language. Sometimes it's a matter of confidence or even circumstances. So in the workshop that I'm going to be running live tomorrow, Tuesday, March 12th at 9 a.m. Mexico City time, we're going to be breaking down the 5 obstacles that are keeping Spanish learners from being confident Spanish speakers. And we're going to go into each one so that you can see exactly what to do about it. Finally, we're going to take all of those strategies and everything that we've learned and turn it into a plan with all of the elements so that you know exactly what to do during your next 90 days of Spanish learning. So please join me at the next 90 days Spanish workshop, again happening tomorrow, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Mexico City time. That is 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific. You can register for this workshop at the link below. It's completely free. I do ask that you come prepared. Come with a notebook and a pen. Do the exercises that I give you. Be active in the chat so that I know that you're there, so that I know what you're getting out of the workshop and also what questions that you have. I would love to interact with you live. Now, if you're watching this after March 12th, 2024, don't despair. Check the description box to see when my next workshop will be running. I cannot wait to see you there. Nos vemos muy pronto.